Malacanang has distanced itself from the recent impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara Duterte. The group behind the complaint also defended its decision from critics who said the filing was done in bad timing. Here's the report.
A coalition consisting of sectoral groups, relatives of drug war victims, and members of party lists drafted an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. This complaint was formally endorsed and filed by Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sandanya yesterday. The impeachment complaint against the Vice President has the following grounds: culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, bribery, betrayal of public trust, and other high crimes. President Bongbong Marcos earlier discouraged lawmakers from filing an impeachment complaint against the Vice President. He insisted that the government should focus on more pressing issues in the country. House Committee on Good Government Chair Joel Chua argued that lawmakers may not tackle the impeachment complaint immediately.
Ang magiging challenge lamang po dyan is yung possibility sa impeachment. Dahil unang-una po, alam naman po natin, by next year, by February, start na po ang national campaign. By March, start na rin po ang local campaign.
Law expert attorney Buko de la Cruz echoed this sentiment. He described the filing of the impeachment complaint as bad timing.
Mukhang mali po ang timing ng pag-file. You have to understand that there is a prescribed period for Congress to act on impeachment complaints. And if they fail to act on it or they are not able to vote on it or endorse it, it is deemed denied or shelved, in which case the one-year ban will apply. So for 1 year, you cannot file any impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte.
Sandanya argued otherwise.
Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa?
May oras pa po ba?
Naniniwala po tayo kapag gusto, may paraan. Pag nakita nila na malakas itong ating complaint, malakas itong kasong ito, they will support it. I leave it at that one po.
The group spokesperson, former Senator Laila De Lima, added that they are not following the president or anyone's order.
Ayaw naming kumumpas o sumama sa kung anuman na mga moves nila, yung mga nasa gobyerno ngayon, including the president.
VP Sara has yet to comment on this matter. For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.